Hi guys! We're going to UP or University of the Philippines para pumunta kami sa Leadership Convention. Kasama ko si Lingshi, si Apre at si Ap Noemi. Ito na yung Leadership Convention sa bahay ng alumni dito sa University of the Philippines. At kasama yung mga love lines and business partners. At ito na yung gaganapin. Maganap noong April 5 to 6. And to is malapit na mag-start yung leadership convention. Kasama kayo pang member ko, si Ap Maricel and Ap Noemi. At syempre,